Oh, what's up? I do be snoring though. Guys, I signed up for no, I'll figure this out later. I need to figure out, never mind. Only 5 minutes till open. I'll deal with this later. Wait, who are you? On Discord, by the way. Mixel. Remixel? Rhea Mixel? Hmm. Oh boy. SEC? Sec? Man, now this is beginning to piss me off. I'll give you a sec. Okay. This is like, I, I don't know why I didn't bother rebuy this. Because since I cut it, it's been up, what, like 82% since I cut this? I should know better. I really should know better. I don't know if I would have held any through earnings, to be honest, though. I might have gotten scared. Alright, but let's add that to the list of mistakes. Like cutting app. Uh, yeah, more or less. Everyone does some scrubby things, yes. But yeah, shouldn't have cut app, shouldn't have cut Rocket Lab, shouldn't have cut SoFi. Cutting Carvana I still don't regret, but I think this will speed up at some point. What else? Cutting cart wasn't a mistake, that was fine. What's going on? The sound? There's a problem with the sound? Does anyone else have a problem with the sound? No? Okay, that's just you. Yeah, Kava. No, it's all good. Kava did I don't really feel bad about Kava. Kava's pretty slow, but I cut Kava here. Okay. It's not that I don't care that much. Like some of these, like Shopify, meh, I don't care about, right? What else don't I care about? Yeah, Dave, this was too thin for me, but now I guess it's not. Now it's trading like it traded $68 million volume yesterday. Crazy, dude. What's going on? This one and Lemonade were the ones that I guess I was surprised at. But if you guys bought this, whatever, good job, I guess. And then, oh yeah, there's no earnings today, idiot. On no earnings on what? Dude, this is yeah, this is something else. I didn't trade this, obviously, but yeah, this is how you know a theme is hot. So I think maybe space theme can do something stupid. Maybe like one of these things. Like one of these shit codes might be able to squeeze. So I'm gonna set an alert for like, let's do 8. Oh, it could be another app. It could accelerate. Kava. Yeah, it could. It could. Yeah, Kava could get accelerate. A lot of things are accelerating. Pay you like pay today. Pay trends like shit though. But yeah, the weekly chart is pretty good. I know. I know what this company does. I'm not gonna buy it or anything. It's just like the weekly chart sucks. I mean, sorry, the daily chart is choppy. Weekly chart is good. The spread sucks for now. It's not the most. It's pretty illiquid for me actually in general. Actually, yeah, this is way too illiquid for me. I'm not trading this. I'm waiting for these to really go. I think that these uranium names that have been kind of like loitering around. That's why I have starters in these, because I don't have any size, but I feel like they might be able to push. I have 10% of my account in Oklo again, though, at least. But yeah, these two are looking pretty decent, actually. Lightbridge and Centrus. Is today the day? I don't think today's the day. Is it? Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna hold the last 10%. Cause so like the idea was that I wanted to rebuy what I was holding. Cause I cut Oklo here, right? And then I was like, I rebought it here, and then I rebought it. I sold it here, rebought it yes this day, and just held it through this. I just want to hold a little bit through earnings. It deserves to be held. Um, Same with Lunar. Uh, I might sell a little end of day today though. It's got what earnings tomorrow morning. I wish that like I wish that I could tell when the earnings was from this fucking because I have to like look in the right. It's Wednesday afternoon. It's Wednesday afternoon, but I can't tell when the earnings is by looking at this. What was inflation print yesterday? Prior for year over year. Okay. Um, I cut DXY yesterday, the last bit of it. I don't really care. Yes, TS. Rocket Lab is great pain, dude. I just, yeah, it is what it is, man. This is. Yeah, are any of you in this stock? This thing is nuts. 27 or 6 million market cap, not 27. Yeah, it's so small. Yeah, chasing does is working again. But yeah, like look at these shitcodes, man. They're going crazy. This is too thin still. Similar? Is this? Yeah. Look how well everything is acting, man. This is a crazy market. So look at this. Wow, this is flagging up here, dude. That's crazy. Let's add 2 alerts. I'm gonna start buying this soon, I think. I think this is gonna be my next buy. This is so good. What did it have? This was Zillow earning, and it got sold into. Look at that flag. Just picture perfect flag on this. I wanted to rebuy this at some point. Do I have an alert on this? A-Lab cross. Dude, what a fucking piece of shit. I hate this stock. Oh, Rivian alert. Hmm. Rivian have more news today? Oh, another Volkswagen recall. More cash for Volkswagen and a recall. Every Volkswagen new, PR has gone on this. So let's move Rivian up. Um, I'm gonna put Rivian on. I'm just gonna put. I'm changing EVs to orange for now. There's too much shit in crypto. Lucid doing anything, guys? No, just Rivian. $5.8 billion. Is this like this? They're not recycling the same PR, right? Are they? Raises their investment is upsize. How was it before? From a five, okay, they just invest another .8 billion. That's what it is. See, a lot of these PRs make it look like they're launching a new 5.8 billion, right, investment, but you guys should be smarter than that, right? You know that. So it was 5 billion before. You can see from here, which is the same from another PR like last year, and now they're raising it. Okay, just to be clear what's going on. I don't think you need to rush into this. I think an ad alert here, but it might do like a. Oh yeah, what was going on with fucking Joby and Archer were moving too. Dude, Joby didn't get news on this day, right? Like, what the fuck? On November 11th? Like, I hate to say this, but I'm willing to rebuy this. It seems like the offering got bought up, right? Let's just set alerts for now. My favorite internet group, Reddit? Oh, no. Oh, dude. Okay, look at how, look at this price action, dude. This is some toxic fucking price action. This is crazy. On this Zeker? You're seeing this? What the fuck? Okay. Look at this WRD too. Look at this. What the fuck is this? This is toxic, dude. This is so toxic. Oh, Archer got no. Archer got news. I know. Not Joby, right? Archer got the news. But it wasn't November 11th. November 11th was this day. This is November 7th. I'm asking if Joby got news on November 7th. It's okay if you guys don't know. I don't know either. Looks like Hut was a good buy. All the miners waking up though. You know, your cores might actually finally make a good move after this choppy shit, right? I think we gotta watch this though. 1803. Let's should we promote this? Yeah, let's promote this. Redfin do anything? Nope. RNA finally going, maybe? Dave, any thoughts on LAC is the question. I'm not super excited about this, but it's because mostly the weekly kind of sucks. I don't like this sector too much, but watch it, yeah. It's got news flow. Oh, what? Oh, my bad, dude. My bad, dude. I think you might be right. Sorry, I thought the Toyota news was. Oh, that was Japan Airlines. My bad. Okay. Thank you for that hot tub time machine. You're right. This is the correct news. Thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome. Awesome. And 500 million? Okay. Oh, that was from October. That was from October. They're not adding an additional 100 million, but yeah. Cool. Thank you for this. Toyota first. Is there another? Okay, I'm gonna use the official. I'm gonna. Okay. No. Well, I took place at Toyota. The follows announcement. Yeah, yeah. Got it. Okay. Okay. This needs to flag out around this 6th level, and then we'll be good. Ion Q, another one. Okay. Is this really still? Is this side to buy a fucking Rivian? No, I'll wait. I'll wait. Where's Ion Q? Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. So biggest mistakes. That's similar. Okay, I'll wait for this. No. Not buying Ion Q both times was a mistake. Not buying it here, here, here. I only bought it here, like a fucking scrub. Right. Oh yeah, I cut Upstart. That's what I did. That's a change. I cut Upstart and I cut DXYZ. Upstart dropped an offering, dude. Because of course they fucking do. But can I explain a bit about my watch list? One, two, three. Donovan uploaded a video where I talk about it more, but don't overthink it. One is just priority, two is less priority, three is even less priority. That's all it is. Color coding is just a quick way of sorting. Because I used to like add sections for everything, and then that just took too long to drag things around. So I just do this, and that way I can just sort them like this. It's just yeah. Well, they are loosely sectors, but I group a lot of things together, right? Like I have the EVs with this shit now. Yeah. The only thing is red is generally like shitcodes or day trades. I save the red for like the stuff that I actually don't want to touch all the time. That's about it. But yeah, and I favorite these sectors that I like. But yeah, there's a video on Dolovan's YouTube where he clipped it. DJT is going again? No, it's not, right? What are you talking about, dude? Just don't overthink it. It's not. I don't think about like it's not a big deal how I. Okay, I should have bought Rivian, huh? Hmm. Okay, fair enough. I'm buying Rivian. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm gonna start buying it on. I can't buy Rigetti probably, but I'm gonna start buying it. No, it's gonna go straight through this level, I think. It's fine. I'm only buying like a starter, just a starter, guys. AOI, is this fine? Yeah, this is fine. Let's move this sun alert here. Similar? Do I have to buy this? I don't want to buy this one, right? This is too thin for me. Yes, it's generally, no, it's been trading 40, 70 million. Spread is like 0.5%. Oh, I don't want to buy this, dude. I feel like this is a chase up here. Yep. Okay. Let's. Okay. I only have 2% of my account in Rivian, guys. Let's not panic. I'm not. I'm gonna start scaling into it today, I think, because it's too hot. It is. But the volume is good. All right, let's go. I made a high and reject. Okay, this is good. Yeah, maybe it can flag out in this little range. Did it do pre-market levels? Yeah, it does. Okay, 12s. Yeah, I can buy a little bit more here. Let's go up to 5%. Yeah, I know SMR is moving. I don't know if I had some. I don't know if I want to rebuy it though. 10% already? Oh my God, it's gonna trigger my bitch. There's no news, right? I'm not gonna rebuy this right now. I got shaken out. I sold it like near lows on Monday, I think. Like probably like near lows, yeah. For no reason. For no reason. Or wait, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's yeah. Yeah, I know Aqua had news, yeah, that's right. Space, no, I'm gonna wait for this. This is too thin for me, right? Yeah, it is. Oh my God. Can we draw a higher alert? Let's go. What's this? 879. Um, okay, it's time to promote this. Virgin Galactic, this doesn't have any news flow, right? The sector is just insanely hot. I know. Rocket Lab 44%? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? What the fuck? Yeah. Oh well. Oh well, guys. It is what it is. 20 EMA. I mean, I should have known better. I do know better, guys. Selling here. Like I bought here and I sold here too, and I rebought like up here. I should have known to rebuy up here, like on this day, November 5th. This is confirmation, or even on this day. Oh my God. What is this shit, dude? This is just so much cope right now. I guess I could have bought today, but oh well. Oh well, guys. I'm just reassuring myself at this point. Chris said to sell before earnings. No, he didn't. Chris has never said to sell your entire position before earnings. He's always said to sell some. He's never said to cut everything before earnings. I promise you, he had never said that. And yeah, I held Carvana through earnings, just not App or Rocket Lab. He even said, "How are you going to make big money if you're not willing to hold some through earnings?" Yes, exactly. You want to hold some. You don't want to hold it all. But you want to hold some. Especially if you're in the profit, dude, right? Oh man. Endless cope on I mean, oh. I hope it takes some time to digest here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to I need to do some drugs to cope with this one. Does Rocket Lab going might mean it might be a good idea to hold more Lunar into earnings? I don't know, man. Well, like, no, it's not. That's not a good causation kind of thing. A firm yanked on earnings, but Upstart didn't, right? It's not. You just don't know, dude. Hold some, sell some, hold some, sell some, hold some. Always the right choice. You could always rebuy. I rebought. I bought a firm on this day, right? I bought this on stream, if you remember, on Monday. Upstart. Should I rebuy Upstart? Not yet. I don't think I'm. I think I'm gonna wait. All right. Maybe a few more days. This little band. I don't know if you can see it. This is an important level, right? This is where the top of the gap is. Here. It's like trying to prairie dog above it. Well, it did prairie dog and fell back. Oh yeah, what's Doge doing? Doge is unfortunately I did not catch anything in my crypto account. I just wasn't paying attention. I don't have a lot of money in there, but I should have bought Doge here on this 22 cent level. This is crazy shit, dude. Is Solana doing anything? Yeah, Solana. I was already watching Solana. I was like trying to stock it when it broke this level, and then it, retested, and now it's back at highs, of course. Yep, 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 yep. This Pepe going now too. This is like fucking crazy, dude. Look at this shit. Is there anything else in crypto going? Why is Grayscale Solana so fucked? And GSOL? Dude, because this is why I don't trade these fucking grayscale closed end trust. Do you know what a closed end trust is? This trade's like this is thin as fuck, and it takes forever to execute orders on these. Like people love GBTC and ETH, and I've seen like traders I respect, like well Chris trades this, and but like people like try to chart with this too, which doesn't make any fucking sense. You don't want to. I don't know. Maybe no. Actually, I take that back. Sorry. You can chart with this because it trades on its own vehicle, right? Closed-end trust means that the net asset value of the trust is not pegged to a certain price. So it's not pegged to like Bitcoin futures like IBIT is, right? But closed-end trusts, I don't know. You got to like this is also closed-end trust. You just got to know what kind of product you're trading. It has its own supply and demand separate of you know the underlying assets. Are there any companies holding Doge? I don't think so. I think you had to trade this on. Well, if in the U.S., trade it on Kraken because Kraken will give you leverage over Bitcoin over Coinbase. Would you recommend TradingView over TC2000? No, I would not. Just use whatever. I use TradingView because I can chart crypto on it, and I wanted to chart everything on one thing because I used to trade a lot more crypto in like 2011. Oh, sorry, 2021. Okay, I don't think I should buy more Rivian right now. I have 5% of my account in it, 4.9%. That's enough, right? Yeah, that's enough for now. Let's at least wait for the first 30 minutes to end. Net? Cloudflare? Yeah, whatever. Let's set an alert for here, I guess. I'm not super excited about this anymore. But this is probably when it will accelerate. You're starting to like TradingView more and more. You don't need the very advanced scanners on TC2K. And it feels charting is cleaner and feels like a toy sometimes. Yes, I agree with all of what you said. I've only used TC for a little bit, like the demo. Um, but here's the problem with okay, so first of all, yeah, I don't think you need advanced scans. I'm not that type of guy. I only need gainers basically. And you know, what TradingView has is fine for me. The problem is that the TradingView is coded with like Electron, right? It's a fucking JavaScript engine. So the way it draws candles feels I didn't do any testing to this, but I'm pretty sure it's much slower than something native like TC2K, which is native. So the candles will draw much more smooth. See like how it kind of jumps around, which is not the biggest deal for swing trading, but if you're like day trading, I think it kind of matters. Um, Anyway, and it has a better app, you know, and it's cross-platform if you care about that, because I used to be on my MacBook more, but I guess I'm not anymore. Um, yeah, and it's got some problems, like they'll change things more often, like the big debacle with the changing their scanners, moving the scanners to like the sidebar. But luckily, they do kind of listen to you, I found. So if you make enough, if you complain enough, they'll listen. If they would fix some shit, it would be great. Yes, it would. But they do like listen, like I suggested this so many times with this hotkey for this extended hours thing, right? And they finally added it. It took a long time, but they added this hotkey to switch back and forth between extended hours. The next thing I hope they do is they give you the option to change the way the 1 hour chart is drawn because it draws the 30-minute candle at the end of the session instead of the beginning. When did I get into Lightbridge? I bought it. I bought a starter. So I only have 3% of my account in this. Um, I bought it here. I bought it this day, November 11th, a Monday. I bought some at the end of the day, and I'm just gonna hold it. I have. Oh, I actually have 8% of my account in Centrus now. That's more than I. Did I buy? I bought more of this, I guess. Huh. And Oklo is got sold off. Oh, what the fuck, bro? They sold Oklo on this news? Okay, whatever. I don't care. Um, Dave had a beautiful chart. Yeah, Dave had a really good chart. It was just illiquid as fuck for me. I need liquid things. Um, I don't use TC2K because I don't, yeah, yeah. TC2K doesn't even have a mobile app at all? Huh. You like the watch list set up at the top here? To get this, you just star the watch list. That's all you do. You just star them. Yeah, I mean, just use whatever you're comfortable with. I mean, I know people that made all their money trading on fucking Thinkorswim, which kind of blows my mind a little bit. Screen mirrors from your PC to your phone, no app at all. Okay, yeah, that alone is a deal breaker because I'm charting on my phone a decent amount, honestly. I mean, not like extensively charting, but yeah. All right, good. Rocket Lab taking a fucking break, please. Jesus Christ. Please don't just like I can't have this go to like 30 without me. I just can't. It would destroy me. Well, I have problems with TOS too. I used it a little bit briefly to chart and like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. But it's got the charting feels kind of clunky because like with TradingView, right, you can just scroll or zoom and it loads more bars. With Thinkorswim, you have to like go into the settings and change what you're looking at, like what the time frame, which is annoying as fuck. But I know they have good scans and all. Like yeah, there's a lot of people I know. I mean, not a lot. There's like some traders I know that use some like advanced features in their scans to like scan for tightness and stuff. It's not really what I care for. What just triggered WRD? Yeah, okay, dude. Hey, what's it doing? Oh yeah. I mean, why are you surprised? This is thin as fuck. It's got a large spread. This is about. These thin names act like shit. Look at the spread now. It's 55 cents. Like yeah, no, I'm just ignoring this one entirely. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy a little more Rivian now. CK alert, dude. No way. I'm not buying this. Yeah, it's just, there's no need to be trading a liquid shit right now, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna add some more rivian. I'll just use lows for this, I guess. I might just have to cut it. Yeah. Would I classify this post-election environment as the best since 2020 COVID crisis in terms I don't know, man. Would you? There's just good environments. This is the best environment I've seen since February of this year. I don't know, what's the difference, man? Different things were moving, but like February this year, you could have bought SMCI. It's just good. It's just good environment. It's like free money environment, just like February or late Jan, February. It's I don't know if it's as good as last February as February this year. That's what I'll say. I don't know about better than COVID. I just don't know. Temp setting up? Yeah, yeah, it is. I mean, no, I don't think it's as good as COVID. But I didn't really trade then. I didn't trade during the pandemic. I was invested in things. I didn't learn to trade until 2021, you know? But from what I've studied, I guess it's not as good. Because the thing about 2020, right? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just try to hold this. The thing about 2020 was that it wasn't. Oh, what is my P&L doing? No. The thing about 2020 was that like it was like the micro caps and the shitcos that were really going too. Like I'm talking about like penny stocks, right? Like you could have bought. I think that I don't know. Like there were I don't know what the numbers are exactly, but like something like 80% of stocks below $1 ended up being above $1 by the end of the year. So like that year was even crazier, right? You could like literally buy dog shit and it would go up. Oh yeah, I cut Labu too, that's right. But Labu was a good cut. I cut Labu on this day, and then the next day it died because fucking biotech. But anyway, like the thing about yeah, Workhorse, or this, wait, no, MMAT, metamaterial. Remember this Atlas pump? This thing that went bankrupt, obviously. But this used to be like Torchlight. I remember, you guys remember this stock? This is such a good stock. Like, it's done, because this stock is a scam, right? So it's done so many splits since then. But back here, it was under a, it was under $1. It was like trading at like 15 cents or something, and it just kept setting up, right? Then obviously it did this move, like shit like this. This is 2021 now, but like, you know, GG'd though. But Microvast is going. What was the? It was just earnings on this. This is also stock at a tip bank. This is an old shit spec. Yeah, that was the one the Atlas guys pumped too. So, but yeah, this stock, I remember this. This is a piece of shit. This is a battery company that's a scam. I remember one of my coworkers told me that him and his roommate put like a shit ton of money in it up here, like in the teens, and then they just bag held this. And I told them they were retarded for it, but they wouldn't listen. I actually told like I shorted this to make a point. I think I shorted it like around here sometime. Anyway, Alt is working, ALT off earnings. Oh, nice. This is an important stock. Yeah. It's not as liquid as it was before. What about Viking? Rest in peace. Yeah, dude, investors are fucking I just like every fucking retard thinks they're an investor. That's why I hate that term. Toast? I don't think that's a good stock. This stock trades like shit, right? Yeah, oh yeah, I talked about this. This doesn't trend well. Yeah, I don't care for this. What does it do again? Oh right, it's like yeah, yeah. This is what you tip your fucking wait staff with, your server with. Dude, if Resi is is public or private? I fucking Resi is such a stupid fucking company, but everyone uses it. Oh, American Express owns Resi. Okay. They bought it in 2019. But yeah, Resi is such a stupid thing to I don't know how they make money though. It's so annoying. It's just like it's a clout thing because every fucking Hinge girl wants you to use Resi to make anyway. Oh, there we go. P&L turning back. Yeah, LAC kind of good. I don't know about LAC. It's just I talked about this earlier. I'll reset another alert, but like it's the problem with this is its weekly is just dog shit, right? This week, but you know who knows? What is ALB and SQM doing? Eh. General question: do you use any indicators like new high, new low, etc., to determine market breadth? Yes, I do. I've talked about I talked about this before. I go on, I check MMFI generally. This doesn't update till end of day. But if you just look at this, you can kind of tell how I use it, right? You should be able to tell. I have it shaded below 30% and shaded above 70% because guess what? Oh, wow. Look, it doesn't spend much time here generally, does it? Oh, the best times to buy, generally speaking, are when breath is washed out. Who would have guessed? And then, but occasionally we can stay above 70% for 1, 2, 3 months. But does that happen often? No, it doesn't, dude. Right? This is an anomaly here. No, no, you can ask. I'm just saying it's fine. Uh, like '09, right? It's just it's not a perfect indicator, but Anyway, like days like this, right? You don't have to wait for the day opening day, but like if you see this happening, like breath being like super washed out like here, you might want to start paying attention. The problem is also with this is that like breath can stay washed out for quite some time sometimes, right? Like stay out washed out for like a month. That's not that bad. Yeah, TC2K has better indicators than this one. TC 20 2108, I think, is the 40-day average one, which is basically the same. But that one updates live during the session instead of end of day only, which is not, yeah, 2108. Yeah, that one updates live during the session, which I'd rather have, but whatever. But I don't use new high, new lows. But it's also I also use the indices. Like I might sometimes I might say I don't, but I do. I look at sector rotation. I look through different sector watch lists. I look through occasionally I'll go on Finviz and sort by like industry and sector strength, in groups too. Because then you can look at, 1 day performance, 1 week performance, 1 month, etc. to see like where things might be going in, like where money might be flowing, right? See how rotation might be happening. Um, let's see. What industry is strongest today? Department stores, yeah, that doesn't tell us much. 1 week, utilities are strongest, really? 1 month, auto manufacturers, that's just weighted for Tesla. 3 month is utilities again, okay. What is NDTW? That's like 100 stocks above 20-day average. Okay. But yeah, I use the indices too because like I mentioned this day, right before election, that was a warning day. So I went cash, which was okay. This was a mistake just because I didn't rebuy things I said I was going to rebuy. I was like, I'll rebuy the leaders at the 10 to 20 day band level, and whatever. It's fine though. It doesn't matter. I'm not coping about anything like Rocket Lab. Oh boy. Oh, I guess I could have bought here. Uh, Airlines? Yeah, I know. I know they've been uptrending, but yeah, it's pretty slow. I wanted to trade save at some point, this Spirit, but obviously this is, oh shit, got fucking owned, dude. What was the news today? Reported after Frontier deal fails. Oh shit. Good, dude. Dude, the thing is, Spirit wasn't the Air France. I had worse service than Spirit because the French are fucking assholes. Sorry if you're French, but if you're French, you actually should know it's true. There's like I had this one of this fucking asshole. What's the name for like a stewardess, but it's male steward? Whatever. It's just fucking. He was just a fucking asshole. Air Canada. Okay, so the thing about airlines is that I, I'm not really excited about trading airlines in general. I don't think you should because airlines, guys, if you know anything about how businesses work, airlines don't make money. You traded this on the Toronto exchange though? Because even though it doesn't make any money with this one, at least with Air Canada, I guess ostensibly speaking, the Canadian government will always prop this up, right? Because it's the only airline. Flugbegelte in Berlin. Is that a slur for French people? Oh, flight attendants. Never mind. Do you guys have a slur for French people? Air France 447. Mm, oh shit. Was it a Boeing plane? Well, Boeing still hasn't fixed any of their shit either. Oh, it's an Airbus. It was an Airbus. Okay, interesting. I didn't know about this, but okay, fucked up. No, I don't want to watch it. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to. I need to watch some uplifting things, dude. I've been. I started reading this book about. It's called Cartels. Uh, Drug cartels do not exist. And I don't know. It's just. I need to read some. Not. I gotta stop reading like. I don't think I'm gonna finish this book. This is too depressing. This is basically like. No, no. My point is, I need some more uplifting things. I'm, I'm gonna I'm gonna go fucking binge watch Ted Lasso or some bullshit to feel better about things. I'm just kidding. I'll never watch that dog shit show. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to shame anybody for watching that shit, but that's not my cup of tea. It's just such a normie show, dude. Have you seen Smiling Friends? Oh, I think I've seen ads for this. It's on Netflix. I don't know if I want to watch this. It's on Max, yeah. I have Netflix, HBO, and Amazon. Dude, HBO has ads now. What the fuck, dude? For the cheaper tier, I don't want to pay $16 for no ads. What the fuck? God, I fucking hate this industry. Oh, is Severance back? I did like Severance, yeah. I might resubscribe to Apple TV when Severance comes back, yeah. I did like Severance. Read some Proust? Go fuck off, dude. Um, After being profitable for some years, what advice would you give my younger self in terms of getting profitable and to pursue in this trading space and not blow up? What advice would I give my younger self? I don't know, man. It's Like aside from all the, it's really like everything. There's nothing that I could tell you that you haven't heard before, man. Hold your winners. You guys all know this, and you still see me struggle to do it sometimes. Like obviously, right? Dude, this is really, oh my God, I should have just bought it here. Hold your winners is like the biggest thing, dude. It's like what the fuck? Hold your fucking winners. Hold them with the 20 EMA. At least hold a little bit. Always hold a little bit. If it's been going up for you, if it's a leader, if it's actually a leader, right? There's no reason to sell it. That's really at least rebuy back in. Yeah, yeah. At least rebuy back in. And so the other thing is I would say like yeah, horizontal levels is something that I've focused on more and more as time progressed. I always drew them. Like I was drawing them, early on, but I was still like more focused on like Christian style flags for a long time, which I think is a mistake. Horizontal levels are better. They just are. Period. Yeah. It's not necessarily for like just know when things might reject, know when things might trigger, right? Like they tell you so much. Like look at the $6 level on like the $6 and $10 levels and this $4 level on Lunar just as an example, right? Like these are perfect levels. They tell you so much about the stock. When it recrossed 4, I actually bought it on this day here, or this day. I bought it on one of these. I bought it on this day, and I think I sold on this day. Just a taste because it was pretty thin. But like this is when you start paying attention, right? And you see how it behaves at these levels. It's just it makes things more predictable. Yeah, so yeah, focus on horizontal levels more. That's the only thing that I think I don't hear enough of. I don't think people talk about that versus flags, at least in this at least in the Christian swing trading bubble. Also, I guess I would say a lot of the mistakes I made early on were if a leader had already gone, and I wouldn't try to find a way into it. I would focus on a sympathy and or a laggard instead of trying to get into the leader. It's like you should try to find a way into the leader. Doesn't have to be a perfect entry, but if you identify something as a clear leader, find a way in. It's why it's not too late to buy app either. Like if this breaks, I don't know. I might have to try some. Like look at this. It's just no one is selling this stock. No one is selling this stock. Not yet. Should you? Yeah, predictability is a huge thing. Whenever you feel lost with your positions in the market, you know where you should. Yeah, yeah, okay. What is your routine of identifying theme? What are things you do off stream to study about theme? Just gainers. Just read and gainers. There's no secret. Just like look up why things are going and you'll figure it out. That's really it. Dude, what the fuck? This halted? This is not even low float. Yeah, this is just exactly check my performance scan. It's just on. So I go through weekly, monthly, 3 month, 6 month, right? But every day I make sure I see what has gone and why they're going, right? Like okay, so right now Obviously, Bitcoin, crypto is hot. Okay, that's obviously. But besides that, the price action in these two names tells you that we're in the kind of market where these shitcodes are gonna go, right? Like maybe shitcode trades are worth it. Like even this shit below $1, which I don't, I wouldn't have touched, but maybe you guys would like it. Like this is that frothy type shit. I don't know how long it's gonna last though. But like this is pretty notable because this stock only has 8% short float and it has a huge float, right? Oh no, it's not. Float rotated actually. Float rotated almost three times. Three times? Yeah, three times already. Okay. Can you walk through how you traded BitX? Sure. This most recent time I bought it here on day one. This is the day I bought it, October 29th. Oh my God, I gotta set an alert here. Hold up. I don't think I can buy this up here, but okay. What, 29th, 28th, 29th, November? No, this is 28th, 29th. Did I buy it on the 28th? I think I might have bought it both days. I think I bought it, yeah, these days, right? So, yeah, yeah, okay. So it's just Bitcoin, right? There's a clear level here, 69K. This is the 2021 high, right? This is the 2021 high, guys. This was the previous high. So here you start paying attention, or here you start paying attention. Fails, finds more supply, right? Fails here. And again, the levels, tell you. This is also why I sold MicroStrategy, or I sold MicroStrategy here. Yeah. Anyway, bad move. And then it breaks here. You start paying attention. I sold it on this day, obviously, right? And then I rebought it. I rebought it. Okay, so November 5th, election day, about like 2, 3 hours after market close, I got my Bitcoin alert because Bitcoin started running. Um, on this right on this day here, November 5th. So I started getting an alert. Yeah, for the highs here. So I had alert for this, and then I just kept moving the alert up, and it kept getting bids. So at that point, I kind of figured Trump was going to win because you should have known from you should have known from when was the first sign that Bitcoin was a Trump play? He made some comments about it. Where did he make those comments? Yeah, here. Okay, so you remember July 15th, right? This was the first sign that okay, because Trump had made some comments about supporting crypto before then, so I don't know when, but you should see the market react on in July to the assassination attempt. That okay, yeah, crypto is a Trump play, and then solar was a Harris play, right? From here, that's when you know. Okay, so everyone was excited about DJT, which turned out to be a good trade, obviously, from here into the election. By the way, I talked about this like starting here. I don't know if you guys remember, but I mentioned like several times that I wanted some DJT into the election. It was just acting like such dog shit that I didn't have the balls to rebuy it to buy it here or like here. But yeah, I did mention that. So whatever. Oh, I bought coin end of stream this day, by the way. Anyway, um, yeah. So this day it started going, and then after hours on November 5th was the first day I bought some. I think I can show you. I can show you right here. See this candle, right? This is the last hour of trading. I started buying it, and then the next day I sold and rebought. I think, and then I rebought. I bought some ETH this day, and then yeah, just held it. Because then it was making it was really making all-time highs, right? And this is like a really good sign. obviously it's a really good sign when something makes all-time highs. So oh, these are so fucking thin though. I'm gonna set an alert though, see what might happen. There's no more liquid quantum names, right? It's just these. Yeah, it's mostly liquid trash. Oh shit, Planet Labs? This is insanely thin though. LLAP, this one died. LLAP, Terran Orbital. Wait, is Terran Orbital are no, that's Redwire. LLAP. This just went bankrupt? What the fuck? What happened to this company? I mean, I know it went bankrupt, but when? It got bought by Lockheed? Yeah, okay. Cool, cool, cool. August 15th? Huh. I didn't know. And that was the news, I guess. Okay. What's Nvidia doing? I guess this is gonna want to go higher. Once more. Do you think we should stick to trading liquid names even with a nanosecond account? I did, but your mileage may vary. I don't know. Some people claim to have success trading illiquid stuff. I don't think. When I had a smaller account, I also only I traded I still use like a $5 to $10 million volume cutoff daily. Yeah, they just act more predictable. Like you saw with pay today, right? Like I guess it's going now, the spread. Yeah. Some names are dollar volume liquid, but also trade like shit, like this one. I just look at the character of the stock, I would say. But like I said before, my filter here is only $5 million volume because if something is illiquid and it trades 5 million in the first like 10 to 20, 30 minutes, right? I want to see it appear in my scans. Like that's why microvast wasn't showing up in my pre-market gainers. It's like what, 2 million before? Now it's liquid. It's just your mileage may vary. You just try some of the liquid stuff. Some of the liquid stuff does trend well. Wait 1 sec, be right back. What the fuck? Did I get an AOI alert? Hmm. Might want to reduce this. I'll reduce it if it closes below this 30-minute. Wait, what is driving my account today? It's just lunar? Yeah, it's just lunar. Dude, ASTS 20%? Okay. Just off of the Rocket Lab. And then this is earnings tomorrow aftermarket. Yep, tomorrow after hours. And lunar is Thursday morning. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream. Oh my god, Bitcoin is so insane. Yeah, 100K guaranteed at this point. Alright, later guys.